In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CC and BCC in the Gmail app. Understanding how to utilize these features effectively can help you manage your email communications with clarity and discretion. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Gmail app on your device. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see a compose button. Go ahead and tap that. This will open up a new window where you can create and send your email. Now in this new email window, you'll notice a field labeled to. This is where you enter the email address of your primary recipient. Think about this as the main person you are addressing in your email, the individual who your message is primarily meant for. Next, let's talk about the CC feature. CC stands for carbon copy. Click on the CC field and you can enter the email addresses of other recipients who need a copy of the email. Keep in mind that these email addresses will be visible to everyone receiving the email, including the primary recipient. It's a good option when you want to keep everyone in the loop transparently. For instance, if you're sending an email to a team leader and you also want the team members to see it, you might add the team members' emails in the CC field. Moving on, you'll see the BCC field. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Tap on that field and enter the email addresses of the individuals whom you'd like to receive the email, but without revealing their addresses to others. This is particularly useful for maintaining privacy when you're emailing a group of people who don't necessarily know each other. Their email addresses stay hidden from every other recipient. So if you're sending a newsletter or an update to a set of clients or colleagues who don't need to be aware of each other's contact information, BCC is the way to go. After you've entered all necessary recipients in their respective fields, you can proceed to compose your message. Make sure the content is clear and concise, addressing any relevant points you want to communicate. Once you're satisfied with your message, locate the send button, usually appearing as a paper airplane icon, and click send. And there you have it. You've successfully used CC and BCC to effectively manage and distribute your email. By utilizing these features, you can maintain clarity and discretion in your electronic communications. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.